they bowed down and worshipped him. Matthew 2:11.
Welcome to this daily encouragement from Our Daily Bread. Seeking the Christ Child was written by Patricia Raybon and read by Joyce Dinkins.
Matthew chapter 2, verses 1 through 2 and 7 through 12. After Jesus was born in Bethlehem in Judea, during the time of King Herod, Magi from the east came to Jerusalem and asked, "Where is the one who has been born King of the Jews? We saw his star when it rose and have come to worship him." Now picking up at verse 7. Then Herod called the Magi secretly and found out from them the exact time the star had appeared. He sent them to Bethlehem and said, "Go and search carefully for the child. As soon as you find him, report to me, so that I too may go and worship him." After they heard the king, they went on their way, and the star they had seen when it rose went ahead of them until it stopped over the place where the child was. When they saw the star, they were overjoyed. On coming to the house, they saw the child with his mother, Mary, and they bowed down and worshipped him. Then they opened their treasures and presented him with gifts of gold, frankincense, and myrrh. And having been warned in a dream not to go back to Herod, they returned to their country by another route. Seeking the Christ Child, written by Patricia Raybon. When writing teacher Peter Turchi sees a map, he looks for the adventure it holds. To ask for a map, he says, is to say, "Tell me a story." I seized on that idea when preparing to teach a Sunday school class during Christmas on the faith of the wise men. As I studied maps, I learned the Magi traveled some 900 miles, perhaps over several months, to find the Christ child, finally finding not a babe in a manger, but a toddler living with his parents in a house. Their reaction after such a long trip? They bowed down and worshipped him. Their journey invited my students and me to plan with intention to seek Christ more fully. As Scripture tells us, when the Magi finally arrived in Jerusalem, their urgent question was, "Where is the one who has been born King of the Jews? We saw his star when it rose and have come to worship him." Distance didn't deter their worship, nor did danger or delays. Herod's deadly demand was ironic. Go and search carefully for the child. Nobody had searched more diligently for Jesus than the Magi. We can heed the example of the wise men by seeking Christ diligently too. Then, as we worship him, we can expect our Heavenly Father to speak to our hearts, leading us from old ways to new paths to journey with him. Let's pray. Lord Jesus, give us hearts like the wise men, willing to seek you with diligence, no matter the distance or obstacles. As we worship you, guide us onto new paths that draw us closer to your presence and purpose. Thank you, Lord. It's in your name, Jesus, that we pray. Amen.
As you go about your day, reflect on these questions. How can you seek Christ this new year? How can you worship him?
Auriural mother adra utum, mother adalbangel borayangad, adalbangela mo ulbang rakaragari rayangad, dit the blol toy, abol coriol, gila tritelal ngara utum. Akot, a other sel ngara utum leungil, emnemedu low but tickering, rarokuil ad, uldimukrar ad, dialungil at longalir. A adengilum eklul, orgadia imala ad, mal makatakatal lakakngit raklaar. Aad, amo koryol, rabal kilarangul, al kira utma, al murarang alkel, mar adara blil, marokuil adara utma. Ongerung, aad amo koryol, ro omsiungera utma. Aad al sel ngara a utma, mleungil masyo ang aleraklaar. Aad sel lobal tigereng, elungil masyo ang alera utma, en diakalodangay, ngol ol tersel berrotel, el gululula rubakara utma. Sel mobile tigereng, emosyon ar en diakamodangay, ol tra ungir klik maramdala rubak legoragaw. Aw lebong lakadimoru la soamarak laad, at soamel moru la orbatarak laad, moru la atim, ya atim moru la sob aklaw, la sobalarak laad, mauriuk labasay, laklangar rakaw, ng motmiarangum, et miarangum ra atirikteriam omngara utma.
In today's digital world, is your business truly secure? A single data breach can erase years of hard work and trust. Don't leave your digital assets vulnerable. This is where Guardian Cyber steps in. As a service-disabled veteran and Palawan-owned small business, we bring discipline, integrity, and excellence to cybersecurity. We partner with you to meet your regulatory or corporate obligations, safeguarding your critical data. At Guardian Cyber, we don't believe in one-size-fits-all. We start by assessing your current data protection posture to recommend tailored solutions that fit your specific business goals and, just as importantly, your budget. Our core competencies include everything from governance, risk, and compliance consulting to incident response and penetration testing. We even specialize in PEP and high-value individual cyber defense. Guardian Cyber is committed to one simple principle: your success is our success.
We are a Palawan-owned business and a responsible member of Palau Pledge, dedicated to environmental conservation through more efficient computing and cybersecurity solutions.
Protect your business, secure your future. To schedule your assessment, call on WhatsApp 680-770-8779 or email at Guardian Cyber. That's Guardian, CYBER 19@gmail.com. Are you craving fresh, delicious fish? Looking for the perfect ingredient for your next meal? Then look no further. Ngerdub Ingatbang is bringing you fresh, high-quality milkfish. Get your hands on premium milkfish, perfect for grilling, frying, or however you love to cook it. Available bone-in for just $4 a pound. And for extra convenience, we also offer boneless milkfish for a small additional deboning charge. Don't miss out. You can start placing your orders from January 2nd, then mark your calendars for Wednesday, January 7th, with pickup available from 2 p.m. Pick up your fresh milkfish at the Drop-Off Bar and Grill. Place your order, call us at 587-1289 or 587-5070. That's for calls only. Or for your convenience, you can text or call 778-5156. Fresh milkfish from Ngerdub. Available for pickup on January 7th at the Drop-Off Bar and Grill. Order yours starting January 2nd. Call 587-1289, 587-5070, or text call 778-5156.
Subdra Rodal, Kya Subdra Tobringa Harua Wilter, Niraklang Chance Kabong, Niradilub Tamir Mangsau, Y other Meteng Arboy Loa, Ridialul Alons Kiota, Mas Steven Kiota, El Musubdra Adrir, Rasarela Moniga Kiota, Ngalgela Fumio, Mascal Sol Kiota. Ngal maasam los mer sera December 18, 2025, Rablu Rakwam, Emlamotro Klamaldi, Ldi Moringi Rakwam, Ra January 24, 2026. Magmamaruba, am subde olingitanye, Swargi del Traw Adal Ad, May Madang Sutir Ngalgela Moniga, Artial El Sungula Darir. Magim subdar Ngalgel Obo, Rangalgel Olgril, Rangalgela IDDA, Rangalgela sa Armidal, Rangalgel Olblay, Rangalgela Bedor, Marangalgela Ibengal. Edirekal Musubdraw LB Lilolang, Marbaby Ringi. Aki direk kalmasub da rangalgela madaldal, rangalgela lu sa marangalgela klang. A umudaludaw da morngira January 9, 2026, el Friday el Sils, lomu or elol melklok rakabasangay, el di morngira blilar dialul alons kiota, el ngara ordo melrabelura iray. Madako masulang, yarubak lolmol melomakngal tangatargid, el albe esel rak. Signed, dialul alons kiota.
Subdra Rodal, Tiasub dal tob dringa adalba ime rasyong mai adalba tablang chansol ngira lilda i adra el madu Ismail Akwon ma uroy sutan boro ramarang skaruna April ebira ime ro arurang ebil tablang felistang ngira lilda madin moywaya Lili Akwon akmotar gidra delma Akwon gaymen amnos me ersera December 23 2025 emotroga klal morngia gamdilel ra January 8 2026 el di morngia Santos para funeral mangayang lagim subdro abara kamsong Valento igang rol mi armot margup delegat no kamsong ebira ngarie adang bangyar umelaw chun kamsong Marta Marcil Machoy uegi mosubdra bebir gidra hablar odoryo gemim ngangisew olegim subdra ngalgal ne udal adra ngarwisong lali ewatla ra ruat Paulinas kang marbebir ngaw mim ngangisew ngayong lagim subdra rimir heis ngratreda odal adra yung la Johanna ngratreda ama Francisca Bleso klolad mim ngangisew agidregram subdra del song Paulus Way odal adra ngarwisong Rigo adalbay madir ngarqasadla Maria Ulong mim ngangisew ngdiregal spadla adalbay tibang Efraim ngira itay o badal tabe el stomo machimaru o bakara ibu Lorenzo ngira molaw talala bulay gigo machimaru ma Justina Thomas mim ngangisew mga lak lagim subdra wong itay Matias Erbay odal adra orraw la Lidia Allela ma Juliet Kuroda ma Swingli Akwon Tirakas padla rangal rayobey ngira yobey by Louis ngira tregda ebira ley Maria Rur Madir Ruk Faustina Rur Maruk mosubdra bebir gmiu mim ngangisew ang rilem dirikal musubdra siano tur maru adar Edith Elbelau ma Aileen Gumangay dirikal spadla ru iwa Rosita Orak marbebirengim kas subde meim ngangisew ngabe kim subdra ibdura ley Robert Tutim ebira ley Maria Rur mosubdra bebirigi de meim ngangisew Marbagim subdra bagarbaw marhens madrangar yad qaumeya Hilary Ubday Ertikulangsgang Fleming Burrow Jesse Alfonso Mabigi Alfonso mosubdra bebirgmiu meim ngangisew Aolagim subdra ginamqti elbul sadang Senator Garay Mariur Odalbil iblay ginaulaw Dr. Silvia Osar dirikal spadalar ngalgilamli Odalbil waisang atrol ralio atrol agidrekal subdra ginamdal abay hari besebsa marbibiringi meim ngangisew ngaradeng spadala Maureen Guroda Andrew mlei Barbara Iskawa imengel malsol Esara kim subdra buk Emir Marui madia diral mangel Herminar Marui ngirdongol ebir el madu Josephine Gingsho anguroda ma Elizabeth Osegde aira kim subdra singi gobde Simeon marngalgem ra Charlie ma margo wegi modang sangrgamsik marngalgem turmel running in Ariang nangisa mai Norman Elizabeth igertang marbibiringi Odaladra ibay dilmay saiske mangalgel rayo leo saiske machefrit timla machini nga murataryong mosubdra bibir gmiu mim ngangisew Gertmagim subdra tamadat Mariang maru elel Andres Mafermin klulubak taway titay Peggy taway Hansel marbibir gmiu Ramlungwegim subdra Marcela April ibabangagim subdra Gloria Masyol marngalgel ngatpangagiol ngit rasiles nginarmiang maodal Marcela Ruluda orioring spadal ngalgel Rose kabol dirmangyaw yogo kabol ma Benedicta kabol hotel marbibir gmiu meim ngangisew yagidrigam subdra ngalgel lumisang ngirailil draw erbu chan ngirailil Kotep Thomas ngirailil ma Clement Paulinus ngalgel Modesto Petrus ra Max Mamel Petrus madrigal odrira belia ngirailil gidrigam subdra ngalgel Yosiro ngirailil Agim subdra Fred Mori, Bonnie Ngirailil, Edwin Atkel, Rangalgil Adwin Smau, Chino Malien Smau, Agil Tur Radari Rayuni Smau, Melme Tir Loav, Emigwain Seu. Rangalgil Amli Adalbara Tablang Yusina Wodeira, Ralph, Carson Marosela Masami, Melme Mimgain Seu. Agidram subdra Luisa April Nirasau, Shirley Ellis, Cindy Choen Mista, Odaladra Exang, Cynthia Salvador, Dirario Galistaya Manguchi. Pelilio agim subdra baklol pire Napoleon madir rabo geigo nagamurabedor mosubdra bebirigid nangatpa emeim ngangisew madiri galdweilin einer gol Pasiora masang Santos Borja Funeral Home al date January 8, 2026 el Thursday matime 9 a.m. to 12 noon mamadakar along umalm sulang ya Dios lom kaltangat ridrogui sign rasyong mail adalbaray may subdra kamaldin gadalblad sa del maakon Lortob rangem Sebastian Andreas, Delegate Sebastian Marino, Giroteot Eliaya, Yad Spuns Takada, Irbangal Benjamin Adelbay. Alam subdra miul da gawad, ngalgila de delil ngaraygal belu, Robabaldab, Orior Miuldab, Ragamaldile la del Maakon. Mosme Ragamaldin, Gadalblal, Sadi Moringira Palau Funeral Home, en Chapel, Ngangat Kib Hamlet, Rablu Graiday, January 8, 2026, el Thursday, Longewal Orior. Magamaldil umur atutar 9:30 a.m. المطلي السيل سرا 12:30 p.m. يابدنجي لا توب del momadak rangalong agik malolangit mo may impodadak itang sutri rangalgel marbebi ringi irtial kamaldilel. Hindi kangalyok maalong makardi mo kultmok kalgidel kamaldil mga dalbalsa. Ngal along agim subra sis kabaleso klol ad marangalgem. Rangalgel amli adal bara kayo ngir amat troli radwait ngir amat maodam ra uldak ngir amat kiramatungor marbebi kamiu. Rangalgel marbebi ramling rawreg da Tobias akwon ngas pusub de may nakaingisi irtial albul. Mangiwala agim subra eldig so no ay doong mem kas pusub ad. Iblu go truman ngirmang memolingit anges rar ngalakaraw aspay. Sereng tulo posisang marudam rahustino masaksay maantiro boysek. Smi ahwana na store marbibinagaw ngas pusub de may nakaing sertel bula. Ngesara kim subra ngalgen na makarti ko taro meluis ngirmaat kas pusub de may nakaing sertel bula. Ayra kim subra ngalgen lang irigiklang teriyong sa awas makayong ngas pusub de may nakaing sertel bula. Rangalgel adalad raira at sali adalbay ngas pusub de lo ade may nakaing sertel bula. Rangalgel am lengin agid romat matura urat agi melwert matula mar iwang welt matula ngas pusub de lo ade may nakaing sertel bula. Rangalgel am ni ador talwang Paules along na Senate President Hokons Paules memkas pusu de lo ade may nakaing serti albul. Ebira klay mo de Paules marangaligel. Rangaligel lagi kareldil kay Anson. Ginagit Robert ngirablong man may pinakaw. Kliw ngirigiklang kang it's former President Chanton Toribiyong. Space Valentino ngirigiklang. Rangaligel am niya o Daniel ngirokopay. Buik Space Chairman Daniel. Rachel katapangang marangaligel. Rangaligel Pastor Mokogil Solomon. Rabaong Raidung at Yoel Toribiyong. O bakaradapkar Clarence Kitalong. Mary Gold Yoba. Kikarel tadip timoting dimaw. Dira maring ilidupti siksay marangalgel. Dira ay tinagiulula. Badul melwat talay marangalgem. Tulay sa baltakada. Ngaram longoy agyon ngit rakal ngita sibong lakius malsol. Moodam na mayring malsol. Ngas pusub de may nakaing sertel bula. Rangalgel ar ageth si Sulyal. Rauram awang William ginagalaw marbibirgaw. Rangalgel a France nginamakati. Radilyaw manginamati France. Ngas pusub de may nakaing sertel bula. Kat pangagim sub rarideb o kadat itong. Ngas pusub dula ade may nakaing sew. Rigel rablut marangalgem. Ending klol ad marangalgem. Hasintang itong marbibirgaw. Rangalgel amlew eldigis alab rablut. Malins ngir umarang ginageth marangalgem. Kas pusub marad marangal ka may nakaing sertel bula. Imaliga gyol turor kalaw sermong mat maarmar katamir mga South Junior. Bagi molturor kamiol merigel kwal men usumam. Oriora gem subra odal ad agem Anderson marangalgel. Rayong Benjamin yoba. Dingelius Moses yoba. Isaor mga saw kumitatong madin merangalgem may mga sertel bula. Aliyos siya o kadiri kan mitotong madin merangalgem may mga sertel bula. Dilwang amra ebaules odal ad tutod nginalmaw marbibirgaw. Adal barang atibang Efraim gira itay masubra bibirgaw. Teodosia yu Patring mat Josephine ulang ong inaboy mkas pusublo ad emaim nakaing sertel ng ulbula. Serafina de bulbot sa ato marangalgem. Rangalgel aleduy o malyak lumkas pusub de emaim nakaing sew. Sariang o Laul Warswick marangalgel. Rangalgel Orengs Pedro. Sarah Conway Sked. Rangalgel Sunday ilek mkas pusublo ad emaim nakaing sertel albula. Rangalgel amledladra ilong isaol. Maalin sa ato marangalgem. Deborah Toribiyong. Rodiang Toribiyong Smus, Nanumi Toribiyong, Chewin Wermas, Rosemary Joseph, Brire Blunt, Rangalgela Tiana Telei Rubas, Rangalgela Hasime Telei, Rangalgela Carmelong Rolulga, Radeliget Mangur Marbibir Kamiu, Rangalgela Rium the Rarulib Anghinino, pero ni kang inaibay ma-fermina isida. Siyala sa kumamar bibirgaw, Apolonia Siprit Agustin, kaspusub dulo ade may nakaing sertel bula. Rangalgela Hiromir Dial, Rangalgela Katsue, Sali Kiltung na Juanita Obiang marabibirgaw, Rosang Kyosi Andrew, kaspusub dulo ade may nakaing sertel bula. Dirat ngir Rose Musub, the Speaker Akoro State Legislature, Wells Awas Marangalgiw, Ngira Mariang Alexander Ramsik Marangalgel, Alexis Ramsik Marangalgel, Pastor Balgu Sandario, Niroteo te Eliaya marabibirgaw, Rangalgela Mlerungu Luel o Ips Armidal, William Siprit marabibirgaw, Raymus ngirmaata, magkaspusub de may nakaing sertel bula. Paliliwag im sobra rangalgela kalibra ko sepa, mainarya, mar adadra at tula de dalil. Rangalgela amlew el lool kaiting madris, magkaspusub dar adad de may nakaing sertel bula. Trigel mlo di kalabas ang klire madingil mukdawad, erong siti al subra kamaldilela del makuan, magkaspusub de may mga sutri rangalgel marbibiringi, ertel ulbong al sungul. Makamaldin mo mga dalblal sa adi morgin adurste long evalurior, January 8, 2026, lomura 9:30 AM, iabuldo ka laptop dra 12:30 PM al mamadak rangar ulong. Ako mungul maklapkal mo dang sa amoradama dal Diyos, el nga makaltangatim sa bakar gidrabek kalsilsa. Wamal masulang, saan iyaat spoon stakada.
Tial sub del mulla reng stringi, adiagal spedel, madiagal tigingel, malub engul de suel adias broadcasting company, tiang aspedirar adulul top deringi e haraorngi, koh mal masulang.
Subdra kamaldi rarungul bay galistus ngirturong. Tia subdra kamaldi le eldu rarungul bay galistus ngirturong. Loltob danya sa armidal Jeffrey Olgrila. Iar laiter dolmers. Kula udul bormental tul. Madir rungul bay sariang timul. Mararungul damam rakamaldi le larungul bay galistus ngirturong. Tel kamaldi lam lamatrokok kulmorngina Friday January 9, 2026. Etiul kupsingil ako talbuy le long imlurior. Aldi morngina ngar kaya community center ay Malik State. Elomur etiu klora tutao. Emoragid ratali al chils. Magim subdra bebir ngamam margim gawad al adal gidel tel kamaldi le. Elkmamay mdali mdagay ngisew. Magim subdra tirgagid al admam magim gaw gablil. Marangal gilam le dirungul bay redol ngirturong ra dirungul bay sariang timul. Marangal gil ra hasintatmat kaibu utamingil tao atmat kmar bebir ngamiw. Ringil singenari marangal gil agimiu na nakamura. Pakristin nakamura marangal ka. Diraibu matangaliang raklay marangal gil rakabidor maroy. Kadangil raklay Eric raklay marangal. Leilaning irturong raklay marangal gil rakailang irturong ma reverse raklay. Awadal at kubari ngiray galaw marangal gil. Rangal gil ang irudal sang Basilius Mesaol Bernice Valerian Vernon Mavigar. Rangal gil amli dirungul bay tangali at pisong. Arnya away singit sa marangal gil na Valeri Saks. Rangal gil asigang dolmers ra iyer laiter dolmers. Giorung dolmers erina olgaril elentarungul bay. Marangal gil erigol garil ra ace maabel. Rangal gil amli dirungul bay eriyong inatmab ra adreng agiwo sats koring ila ngira kasaw ringila aduga ngiratmab motaring ngiratmab marangal gila bale ngira kapatangal raaway bale el marikan bale el moltura del miyo may mdagay sew rangal gila mle iyar kalep olgarila rasar midal iya Jeffrey olgarila Pugol Blue segang Jennifer olgarila oyal olgarila kayo kulche olgaril magalulaw olgarila rangal gila mle rungul bay yugiyo at pisong raikisil at pisong miray at pisong mamle at pisong Mat Junior Dialul. Rangal gilam le arur abina et pisong rakasaw et pisong Flores et pisong Otuel et pisong Fraser et pisong Maflevit et pisong marbibir kamiw. Rangal gilam le rungul bay brigul ngiru elbad ra enita et pisong marangal gel tareng the may marangal gel rangal gel alusi brigul rangal gel dilisa brigul makreos matalto brigul. Rangal gilam le dil kaswal edir agmur onglim veltem raspiger alusio obagarbaw eri leli obagarbaw mongami madilam sa tem marbibir kamiw. Rangal gila ngir babul ngir ulbad ra Ernest ngir babul marabin ngir babul rangal gila siksay ngir ulbad ra malgarbesk siksay marangal gel rangal gila ngadmang harwar Howard Uel Hanson Uel madil boss Uel rangal gila ngir ulbad siksay ra Deolinda Erongla Wilfred ngir ulbad Aldrin siksay Fabio siksay marbibir kamiw oidudul siksay mangal gila Stephanie Stebano rangal gila masahiro siksay ra Dilway ngiraiwet mawarden siksay marbibir kamiw rangal gila masami siksay ra ngiray Ray Dwight Masami Sophia Sid Shelby Masami, Clifford Masami, Magalvin Masami, Mrobebilgaw. Rangal gila masako siksera betir mong ami godep, matchani mong ami marangal. Rangal gila malsol ngir ulbad, rawadal adibu malsol marangal gel, dirata malsol rirey marangal gel. Rangal gila rang ol raol raalid kazuyuki rang ol marangal gel, marur rudel bab rang ol marangal gel. Rangal gila margungail o raol raribak Agnes margungail, dilyab dus ngabarad mablang margungail marubibirgamiw. Rangal gila diratrang makogil, marangal gila rolmi obak ray obak ri marbibirngi madra igirang Larry Mamis marangal gel endi mion ngirgalaw marangal gel rawarli Tijon olgaril marangal gel ra omgar rangal gel aklol dir aged raku kumay umayam marangal gel ongalibel Stefanus marangal gel limasang aged marangal gel adel belu madraisaur aged marangal gel chan padreir aged klendar aged rangal gel osawir hotel ra Williander hotel marangal gel chung hotel rangal gel amne di edil irik klasikyang besel adra rangal gel armokot beselat ra Herson ngira idik marbibirgaw rangal gela ya orong beselat rangal gela motol beselat rangal gela dir rebab mangayolt ralaw Isidoro ilamlong marangal gel el angin lamlong marangal gel tarmaw hay marangal gel marbibirgamiw rangal gela rubiang iru ulbadra elma rubiang marangal gel rangal gela amlet rut arar aiban rubiang ra tumarang rubiang marbibirngi rangal gela amlet rungul bay alab ra dira idung omdid rungul soladab marbibirngi dirai rabay Salome Kirk olsing yalap Noe yalap Yong yalap mayalap yalap rangal gela igisang taltul ra odal adulay taltul simer matkula udul bormen taltul tilden saburot taltul mangedrong lena taltul rangal gela katosang iru albadra nigi katosang marabirgaw rangal gela amledir iwang smesang ratwaw ra adalay ringang Sandra Henry Masem ratwaw rangal gela yob amrar yung ulpenchamin yob Emil Abbas Marigold yob mosub darabir kamiw marangal gemim nakaing sew marangal gela atal matang ra Tresililaw mosub darabir kaw marangal gela ngira itira adalbay ra tibang Efraim ngira ite mosubra bibirgaw marangal game im dakaing seu ngira kamo Andres Madraisaw gimultro kail merangal game melasumam Oligor Gaswas Senator Stevenson Quarte mosubra bibirgaw im dakaing seu ngira ongor rigim all mosubra bibirgi dem im dakaing seu telbula agidri kal musubra spesol ngira along maodal raitrir ma liman man chani mgaspesu dem im dakaing seu Ndiri kal spadala ngina tangadi Quilbert ngira kamrang maoda mana Naomi ngaspesu dlo ade im dakaing seu agidri kal musubra awal adar melong bigi ganai marmasaw de borrum im dakaing seu telbula agidri kal musubra adal bay luriol benar ngina bay maoda ad kubari ngira galaw im dakaing seu agidri kal musubra ngalgilat tagadasang mo im dakaing seu Ira au bisur ganai madira au emerita garradala gaspesu de im dali im dakaing seu telbula agidri kal musubra adar bital ta chirumang irmang ma moyad Christina Oreta Amor mosubra adad marangal gimim dakaing seu telbula Yabelilio agim subra ngul Eric Saburo ong aim Jackson nginangas rugobay mayumirmligam ong etiu haimer gisiwang kung aim nakaing seu telbula ang ayaw agim subra ngul Yusim Mugoy ong aim Captain Armin Raymond rugobay sanae Tim Mugoy maong etiu Hector tatingal kung aim nakaing seu telbula Tokobet sa Sudamura Ragmur Rungul Masahiro Madil sa Araymur Lorian Meriang Arur Gibon sa Masahiro Madil Rut Arar Kamril sa Sao Mosudra Adad Marangal Gimim Nakaing Siw Karok Kuya Belelay Anastasio Kama Thir Erang Leslie Belelay Adatchi Mim Dalim Nakaing Siw Telbula Lawrence Katapangang Mosudra Adad Nangilaw Enti Magenti Mim Nakaing Siw Ndiri Sudamur Tirgal Adamam Regal Kablil Baldok Lorio Kuma Mim Nakaing Siw Telbula Morio Deng Spadlar Uldak Libuli Teler Mabilong Erdir Uldak Gloria Sali mosubra adad marangal game nakaing seu yang ram lungu yang spada lang turong chansung ya mal kung may nakaing seu dali mertel bul karolong spada la awong rete Matias Erbay maodal adli dia le lertel bul ya oriora game subra mamang regol mo may nakaing seu tel bul agidri kal subra senator Hokmans Paules mangri etet no bertianol kung may no subra adad may dali mertel bul a oling spada la klor o la blumi wata mo subra adad may nakaing seu agidri kal subra kal mesep Salvador Mota mosubra bibirgaw may nakaing seu Esareng spada lang ginagabo Andres Madraisaw maudal adi long Marsil mosubra adad ragabo may nakaing seu agidri kal subra Ramadorm de may obak marwong Juliana Takriur mo may mosubra adad ongal may nakaing seu malway say en waigel mlamdurba por mo maldile lang adad ranul baygal istus ngirturong amorngir etul kop singila otolbuila Friday January 9 2026 rangar gaya community center Ablurim League Medibo da kaswes Celsil so kompmalm sulang yero bakal Dios rom kaltanga tergidro kui sain as armidal Jeffrey Olgril Tia sudro todringay adar telwang Simeon Oberdong el Shalom et Pisong runguram oang William Ginagalaw y adra may Eliayob runge el Simon Derbay madaran tul se itzrayum de maruli bang helinorium de el gire la gamal dile la targidra rungulbay galistus ngirturong motor ka klal motobra Friday January 9 2026 abeldo la tobra morga ra etiu klora tutau el Muray Mali Community Center mga maldi ilmo eruklo ratali al chil se mamadakla palwaisegi msubdra adamam regal bekkal blok mamim da alim da ngin serti al sungula targit mangrana da gem subdra gal ngira idong sexual adab mosubdra adad mangal gemim da alim da ngin seu Marabnung wegim subdra gal nguram oang William Ginagalaw mading lod Rosani Abia mosubdra adad mangal gemim da ngin seu kidregam subdra skang moded machesi moded el mosubdra bebir gamiu gemim da ngin seu Ya ilaq spedek ngali adar telwang Simeon Oberdong am subdragal eol ringil madalaraq madaqtar ngira isaw mogol mo subdra bibir gawe meim dalim da kaing seu ngat pangagim subdra ngalgila Victoria Uto ngira ramyang Rasilas ngira ramyang ma Marcela Olwa al mo subdra bibir gamiu meim da kaing seu agidir al subdra sa awas ngira gasol maidesil mo subdra bibir gawe meim dalim da kaing seu agidir al subdra ngalgila Itrong Ratino ngira aged mspada trir ngalgila mlerngel tumrang radorshia sablan marangal gila tomoichi tumrang raulai tomoichi mar bebirengi meim dalim da kaing seu agidri al subdra Michael Blodag marangal gila Martin Blodag Ralorna Martin Mawin Martin moltura del meim da kaing seu ay meliga eliaqal togobat sespadama morgal dirungul baisar yang timul kuma mosubdra radad marangal ge meim dalim da kaing seu agidri al subdra gal ringel Simon Derbay madir ringel Agustina Aluel mosubdra radad marangal gralui meim dalim da kaing seu agidri al subdra ngalgila ngirturong radir raibu amadang liang raklay marigel nakamura kuma mosubdra radad marangal ge meim dalim da kaing seu agidri al subdra ngalgila mledir rungul bay aryong ilatmap ngas pesubdra ade meim da kaing seu bakal kalep ngin badangal macho suwang ngin badangal meim dalim da kaing seu agidri al subdra away sakas mamay ko marangal game da kaing seu agidri al subdra kal alit kasuy gidong ol mangin apa brong ol meim da kaing seu Marangal gila sigang dolmers la laitir dolmers ma elendarang ulbay mosudra bibir kami memindakaing sew. Agidirek kalmsubra ngal gila kaleb olgril adal bayra sagang Jennifer olgril kayuk kalcheng iray galaw olgril ma chifrimli marang olgril mkas pasubda memindakaing sew. Agidirek kalmsubra ngal gila dirarois olgril at chogo du war sirenia mamis ma marsen olgril memindali memindakaing sew. Agidirek kalmsubra ngal gila ari radi ramtur klol tilde isak mahili iri mkas pasubdlo adi memindakaing sew. Agidirek lolingit tergal bereng sa adal bayar kuma mega marbibir kami imda alim da kaing sew. Agidirek kalmsubra ngal gila kailang rasalong kuma mega marbibir kami da kaing sew. Aira rabluring esang agimsubra ngal grasel bagimsubra kal spis Valentino ngiriklang maudal at takagurulog masubra ngal gila teruya Daniel. Marangal gila bakyar, marangal gila lali, marangal gila oral, marangal gila singgo, marangal gila tamae tulop, marangal gila eulalia mates, rakik kung inang mar alul kung inang mates, ngas pasubdal ad marangal ka emaim da kaing sew. Agad agimsubra kal karangel tesay, mega marangal game madalim da kaing sew. Agidirekal masubdal ngal gila Bersigra Steven Santos, emaim da kaing sew. Agidirekal masubdal kal asli et pisong, maltur radalam na Helena Arurang, emaim da kaing sew. Ang rusara iliakal spadek ngal yadar telwang Simeon Obradong amorgaul rabal tageo ngir mogul lol turgaw malmen ngal game rangalin tageo marudal magim alim egim kaing sew. Agidire kalmsudra ngal gila dir rangel Austina Alwel Rachinet Kuniwo Robinson Skiwo Roseberry Ignacio matokosang osile kumkas pasude main kaing sew. Ngurulwa lagim sudra ngal karakabli rangar telwang magim sudra ngal gila genrad mamle ebil edil makasong ra ebil edil katsu Obradong mo sudra ngal game marbibir kaw main kaing sew. Agidirek kalmsubra rami Joshua Obradong o adro uld Obradong zilo ligong ramona Obradong mo subra adad marangal ge meim da kaing sew. Arangal gelat matpabe agim subra kal madran tul se itrium da dil tul Veronica nginay bay rulib Angel Inorium da rangal gela Patrick nginay watong de lamel rangal gela de lamel mobile rangal gela Masayet Tanaka marangal gela H mobile makas subra ad marangal ge meim da kaing sew. Arangal gela kloldi lagim subra ngal gela mli adar telwang singe wateong magim subra kal to ko singe walarson mo subra bibir kaw marangal gela hiro korali sat mutul emaim dalim ngaing sew. Agidire kal subra ngal gela mle ebiledil gagal dil raw elshas shalom et pisong odray rose ngina tregda manaymi et pisong mo subra bibir kami marangal gela bes emaim dalim ngaing sew. Agidire kal subra ngal gela asaw marangal gela mli adar telwang adal bayra dir ragar qurno nalawi mo subra adad marangal ge emaim dalim ngaing sew. Agidire kal subra ngal gela ngatwayra rasalita ngaluk marangal gela mle ebiledil sibong arbadul ra dil rulib ga elsitellay mo subra bibir kaw marangal ge emaim ngaing sew. Angat kibeng spadalar mas aw ngira kasaw master dir mas aw ko gerung ilmis ma diladal bay doran inabo mo subra ad marangal ge emaim ngaing sew. Agidire kal subra kal o bakara dapkar Clarence Kitalong ak mamaim dalim ngaing sew. At tokomet sa spadam marangal gela warudala magim subra ngal gela gawda marangal gela idu marangal gela rosang mo subra ngal gela sabale emaim dalim ngaing sew. Agidire kal subra ngal gela tal matang ililaw ar ayong Benjamin Yob ar hiur agmul ililaw mo subra ngal gela Johana emaim ngaing sew. Agidire kal subra ngal gela Yob ar adil abas Mary Gold Yob mading Lius Moses Yob umkas pasublo an emaim ngaing sew. Agidire kal subra ngal gela ngira ite adal barang atibang Ephraim ngira ite madala la kulay gigumot chimaru mo subra adad mangal ka emaim dalim ngaing sew. Agidire kal subra ngal gela smesang at bawra adalain ringang Masandra Henry mkas pasublo emaim dalim ngaing sew. A oriora ablu rangar amay yagim subra adar amay Eliayob mau elbil raqumra sena asuma mo subra ngal kara eklbay rangar amay emaim dalim ngaing sew. Agidire kal subra ngal gela humia gibon sa ladili kwarte ma odal ramer kwarte emaim dalim ngaing sew. Agidire kal subra adil mala al rose musudar mo emaim dalim ngaing sew. Amiyun sa agim subra ngal gela ang atopta brigul ratareng mainita mkas pasubda emaim ngaing sew. Belilo agim subra kaul balang ulang wong mabilitang yo itsingewo mo subra adad marangal ge emaim ngaing sew. Agidire kal subra ngal gela oligong arbadul radris chunewo marangal gela robat oligong mo subra adad marangal ge emaim dalim ngaing sew. Klamatela subda ulm trigel no dia almedun clear akmal dia bolum kitarngri au tangla el emaim dalim ngaing sew tial al sungula targid. Etrigel ko kumadi al sabil may adi dagalat kang no ya Dios lolmol lobanged elom kaltanga tergid rogoy. Saina ya adar telwang Simeon Obradong Elsias Shalub et Pisong runguram awang William Ginagalaw ya adar amay Eliayob ringe el Simon Derbay madran tul se itrium de marulib Angel Inorium do. O sisiul subdra kamaldil mga dalblal sa rungul bay galistus ngir turong lultob dernya sa raimul rungul masahiro arur gibon sa masahiro o si adra rong Alfonso Pesul madi dilon udoy meriang mlamot rokok madi mo kamaldilyo mga dalblal sa morning Friday January 9 2026 mabatingin la motob dramor kalmura center raimliga Mongogi tial subda gim subdi olngitr kamiul da mamel mei mata alim da ngisir tial mamul bong al sungul targit darungul bay galistus ngir turong Iwala gim sodra adrang ngis giring sa junior rulo da dil sa irong lagobong madir mat arang takakorulo da mosodra adad marangal gim him da ngisiw mangrara da gim sodra madar ngabo tamir mga South junior mamle Barbara giring ngatabalaw mosodra adad marangal gim him da ngisiw agidri gim sodra da itrir yutakamangloy mosodra adad marangal gim him da ngisiw Maralong agim sodra bakara ibukul da lalabulay gigo matsimaru o adal tebel stomu matsimaru ra iya adra re chusita dawo adal barang atibang Efraim gira ite mosudra adad marangal gemim alim da ngsew o si sulsud amrabla raklay rang rusar rairai el mosudra tu ermel running ira aryang ma ebi raklay moded mosudra adad marangal gemim alim da ngsew tel bulo o si sulsud al top dernya o si adra rong Alfonso Pesong el morabla rang armlong el mosudra mangsaw David orog ma odal adar melong bigi kanay mosudra adad marangal gemim da ngsew o si sulsud amrabla raw El مسودر قريل تأديب ما أودل أدر أو رباو مسودر أدد مرنال جميم دغين يسيو أجدري المسودر أبغر أدب كار كلارنس كتالون مسودر أدد مرنال جميم دغين يسيو أجدري المسودر ربال تاجيون المقول ما ينابين سبلايوك ما أضمر أمقاتل رأيو رغمور ميم دغين يسيو بليليو أجي مسودر درا إمري وين تيمر بيبيرغاو ميم داليم دغين يسيو تيالبول ليقل سبدل أسي أدر أرغون ألفونسو سبدون لا أمريات سبونس تغداسان ma dirogbe masahiro masudra bibirgami min daging sertel bul o si sulsuda morablara ed batoel masudra ngalgila ingas pasungol langis edea at mol edea mangalgila maresbang masudra adad mangalge mem dalim daging sertel mamul bongol sungla targidra ngol baygalistus ngirturong Tigel at mamlo di dong clear tial sub lamam kitarong miu mem dalim daging sertel mamul bongol la sungla targidra ngol baygalistus ngirturong al morngida center Raimeli January 9 2026 el Friday el Sils o mal sulang ye Dios lolbol mula makaltang atrigidro gui sa nas araimul rungula masahiro Tialo si sulsu dra kamaldira top dnya ong rete Matias Erbay adra idikil Albert Malangsang madalbara kayong yuhay merur rakamaldira la targidra kalistus ngirturong el nosmer sera December 13 2025 pangmlamotro kon motodra January 9 2026 ramor edimel maltal mora Emily Center Pagim sudra ngalgela mleong rete maldangsang mleong al mga bar mleong al merur mleong al taymasang mamleong al Victor Joseph Agidram sudra ngalgela imtengla Chloe do naruo tadawong hotel Abril maiyong parang ngalgela mleo del adel ali ngalgela mleo del adel erriang ngalgela mleo del adel isaw ngalgela mleo del adel umay ngalgela Maria Isamu mao del adel lidia alle el mangalgel o malmsulang sain awong rete Matias Erbay Tia subra kamaldi lortob dringyang ginakabo Andres Madraisaw nginailal Sixtus Paloy Kaswal Florencio Adelbay ngirbabol gawin Paloy el masubra kamaldi larong ulbay galistus ngirturong el mrosmer sila December 13 2025 el mamatrok la kamaldi di morngin at January 9 2026 longaim lurior nabdingin la moto dramor 8 AM el moray maligir ang arkaya ngamin diti center Bagi musubra rokul ngal ka mar adra kabol ngomem dalim mertial ulbongol sil sergid mar ngulbay galistus ngirturong mang esareng spadla odol adra kabo ilong Marcel madra orgong ang ginamolaw makreo sa Nicolas ngirgalaw rulog Marcelo ngirgalaw kami norduen hideo tangala perano ngirgalaw chabi may ngirbabol gabin Paloy ngirakolsong adalbay rdabangala perano ngirgalaw Sali Siskin ma Sandora Amay, Alice Sabang, Adiram A. Esther Lul Martung Alisawat Tanabe, Evelyn Adalbay, Natalie Adalbay, Masyang Nirgalaw, Mosubdar Adad Rogul Telbul. Agidiregal Mosubdar Gal di Rabis Madrais Kang Gotaro, Mamaim da Alimir Telbul. Agidiregal Motogobet Sel Mosubdar Gal Maasrat, Nasik Risong Saito, Ebil Veroniga Masayos, Mosubdar Adad Rogui, Emaim da Alimir Telbul. Agidiregal Mosubdar Angalgil Adamay Tamol, Raulang Tamol, Machan Mark Olgaril, مصودر بيبير قميمة ميم ذاليم أجدري قل مصودر قال تشنيور رجريك مؤلم رانيل رجريك ميم ذاليم بالغياغ مدري قل سبادل أرطاء تشورت رور ما دي ليك ربي غا اسنير ماءات مصودر أداد روغوية ميم ذاليم رتال بولة Agidiri kaltukubet silmsubdar kalding Elius Albert Jacinto, dira dalbo al teklakode, masubdar albert ladad martel albula. Diri kaspadala ngira mimay hidencho gintaro, kamadawal bentelay, madrang Denis Jacinto, ngatibu el Mocreos, Gaminor Henaro Peloy, Oligong Frutoso Telay, Iyo Toribio Mocreos, France Telay, Raptang Trepkul Telay, Maclifton Boysek. Diri kaspadala Chulita Telay, diri Raingas Magaria Telay, Elspeth Sebal, Esther Sebal, Tangrabay Boysek, Choy Obrang Antonio Magim Berlingintaro, Mosubdar Adade Dalim. Agidiri kaltukubet silmsubdar ang algila dira Bali, na orib at Joseph madrayo walin Joseph maodam rasa yuri isal meim dali mertial bulo. Ay daing spadala Marcelino Agustin, Ignacio Daniel, Edwin Peloy, legislator Ricky Rubario, Ongolong Daniel, Rulong Daniel, Chimi Daniel, Charlie Simeon, Reginald Agustin, Quay Peloy, Claire Peloy, Alfred Sigisak sa maultira Kla Agustin, masubdar adar tial bulo. Dira kaspadala Yusta Peloy, dira day Ramyang Y, Discabong, dira led sa Lucia Tiano, Miori Daniel, dira Yur Miriam Keisa Raimul, Antoinette Merur, Rosalita Tadao, Edwina Pitagada, Carla Peloy, Sariang Rubario, Telau Peloy, Boley Peloy, Margo Simeon, Etbay Raymond, Betty Raymond, Priscilla Agustin, En Seng Alun, Dinong Rablun, Tebora Langata, Masubra Ada Rogo y Meim Dalim. Ramlungwe Kim Subra Caldebora Eur, Masubra Bekla de Meim Dalim, the Insert Del Bull. Oriora Kim Subdar ang alkilam le Miray Gabriela ngirmang ra ingirasu Gregorio ngirmang Madiler Prague Elisita Morey Masubdar bibir kami meim dalim. Agidiri kalm subdar ang alkila kasoley ra blue drong irung Gambes kasoley ma Marcela kasoley Masubdar bibir kami meim dalim. Dire kal spadala Amas del Rigo Wehara Odreito Siekel Dermens Ayigo Sungyama Susana Susigintaro Teodora Esmiguel Carla West Kyoko Tingeluk Siskawataru Chudi Solang Saralin Sungyama Albina Tingeluk Merly Cuarte Deborangil Rebecca Sanuma Sherlyn Madraisaw, Polly Madraisaw, Deirdre Sway, Mormul Bedor, Lorraine Bandari, Belinda Eungel, Polly Madraisaw, Miriam Ewat, Alcherin Ginagalaw, Evil Ulay Damay, Madeline Tengeluk, Sherlyn Madraisaw, Maukong Nakamura. Dire kaspadala ugordeo Patrick Teley, Ngirurik, el Pedro Gintaro, el Diaz Ginagalaw, Saturnino Tewid, Libro Besong, Spasungol Masaw Bedor, Jason Sigi Soley, Maru Elel, Aldrin Talay, Sharp Sakoma Masinesio Agustin, Kyle Ongesi, Justin Remo, Esang Tengeluk, Murphy Wasisang, Clarence Onyama, Trepkul Vedor, Sisinio Ewat, Esteban Gintaro, Troy Ginagalaw, Otra Vedor, Rire Adolfo, Junior Damay, Omgilom Peloy, Ginaglads Peloy, Junior Isaac, Papirer Ginamolo Peloy, Mosubra Adad Rogur, Kirel Tel Bull. Agidri kaltobet sa Msubra Gal Baustinat Modrang, Madelina Balailes, Mosubra Bibir kami umaradan ni Main Dalim. Komal msulang edul ng itarubak al Diyos, lumakal tangat rin hidrokoy. Saan ang inakapo Andres Madraisaw.
Tial subadal mula ring stringi, at yakal spadel, mat yakal tigingel, maluub engul deswel at Yes Broadcasting Company, tiang aspadirar at lulul top dringi, haraw ringi, kohmal msulang.
WWFM is a 100% locally owned radio station.
Hello, Palau. This is the Yes Broadcasting Company. Come and do business with us. Other media businesses, you pay GRT or PGST. We pay all taxes and you pay nothing. We do business and pay later. Masulang.
Tired of that city life? Looking for a place that's quiet at night? Well, look no further. Dia's apartments are now for rent. 1 and 2 bedrooms are available in the safety and security of the hilltop in Gurmid, located on the outskirts of Orior. Call 488-5771 to schedule a viewing today.
The Yes Apartment, the right place for you.
WWFM is owned and operated by the Yes Broadcasting Corporation. Our office is located on the hilltop of Gurmid Hamlet, broadcasting on 2 different frequencies, 88.5 MHz and 89.5 MHz 24/7. With a transmitting power of 450 watt each transmitter, WWFM is a 100% locally owned radio station.
Ali ngariya malor udu subde de hatte memel mun mera radio station mada gulngit ma meim gim sukaw makot egdilu si aspren eloya a cell phone mal open den wargaw e waisen muk ngomur o ingrang e momrekor o ingrang etela times ratal si se sign ringi esend ringi either moya ka fax mora 4884420 Malub sendringi loya ka email el mora wwfmpalau@gmail.com. Ega mama recorderingi erulia invoice sendringi le korkau auriul ega meharau. Ali malia moves loya de wargau le chospe eringi elo aisergau maloba ngania harmam raspedem aki call segi the number mga do urgarau era ki bomrek kimru raspedem ko mal mesulang.
Did you know that MBTV is now broadcasting on YouTube? Yes, sirree. Just type in the Broadcasting Company, click it, and enjoy all shows. Don't forget to click on subscribe in order for us to stay on internet. Yes, MBTV on YouTube. WWFM is now accepting your business 24/7. Just simply call us at 488-5771 from 7:30 to 5 p.m. or 488-2177 or 775-0441 after working hours.
Oi sine. What do you mean oi sine? Oh, correct. Asahi Super Dry. Number 1. So smooth, so crispy, so fresh, and tastes good, man. In America, that's what we drink too. In PI, I tell you, pare, we drink it too because it's number 1. In Palau, we drink it too because you know why it's good with sashimi. It is sold throughout Palau. Akarakuchi Island beer, Asahi Super Dry, number 1.
Looking for Palawan oldies or American oldies or latest music? WWFM Music Store is open to serve you. You can now make your own personalized CD or download music to your iPod, MP3 player, USB, and cell phone. WWFM Music Store is open from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Saturday. Call 488-5771 for more information. You're listening to station WWFM. Stay tuned for Fox News.
He's back in a cell. I'm Lisa Brady. Fox News. Ousted Venezuelan leader Nicolas Maduro remains in U.S. custody after he and his wife pleaded not guilty to drug trafficking and weapons charges during their first U.S. court appearance in New York City.
And there were some interesting moments inside the courtroom. Maduro said, quote, "I'm innocent. I'm not guilty. I'm a decent man. I'm still president of my country." Prosecutors say Maduro and his wife partnered with narco-terrorists like the Sinaloa cartel and the Tren de Aragua gang to traffic thousands of tons of cocaine into the United States.
Fox's Nate Foy at Manhattan Federal Court. Some Democrats in Congress say the U.S. military operation capturing Maduro over the weekend was illegal under international law. But U.S. Ambassador Michael Waltz tells the UN Security Council
Nicolas Maduro is responsible for attacks on the people of the United States, for destabilizing the Western Hemisphere,
calling the Maduro capture a law enforcement operation. Federal health officials are lowering the number of vaccines they recommend for children in the U.S., with measles and mumps shots among those kids will still be urged to get, while others, including hepatitis A and B, will be left up to families and their doctors.
In December, President Trump directed HHS to review U.S. vaccine schedules in comparison to peer nations. Health officials say reducing the recommended shots to only what it says are most important will increase trust in public health oversight. Opponents argue the reductions without discussion are a greater risk for contracting childhood diseases.
Fox's Gernal Scott. The administration also says changing the federal vaccine schedule will not strip vaccine access or insurance coverage from families. New highs on Wall Street. But the Dow finishes off session highs. The Dow up 595 points at the bell, topping 49K during the session. America's listening to Fox News. Police in Ohio are investigating a suspected break-in attempt at the vice president's Cincinnati home.
Cincinnati police say 26-year-old William DeFore was arrested, now facing multiple charges after U.S. Secret Service agents spotted DeFore on Vice President J.D. Vance's property shortly after midnight Monday. That DeFore used a hammer to break windows on the home, then ran away before being detained. The Vances were out of town at the time, the vice president on X, saying, "I appreciate everyone's well wishes about the attack on our home. As far as I can tell, a crazy person tried to break in by hammering the windows. I'm grateful to the Secret Service and Cincinnati police for responding quickly. At this point, no motive has been alleged." Jeff Manasso, Fox News.
Minnesota Governor and former vice presidential candidate Tim Walz is ending his re-election bid while accusing Republicans of politicizing a fraud scandal in the state.
Minnesota faces enormous challenges this year, and I refuse to spend a single minute doing anything other than rising to meet this moment.
Walz says the state is taking decisive action to address a crisis as state and federal probes of fraud allegations continue. The governor's decision not to seek a third term will not stop a congressional probe of fraud claims. House Oversight Committee Chair James Comer says Walz can't, quote, run from accountability.
The committee is investigating allegations of fraud tied to the state's public assistance programs, including taxpayer-funded daycares. Chairman Comer is demanding Walz appear before a public hearing in February.
Fox's Ryan Schmelz in Washington. A federal judge just rejecting Amazon's attempt to dismiss a Georgia lawsuit accusing the company of price gouging during the pandemic. Consumers accuse the online retailer of failing to prevent sellers from using the platform to charge excessive prices. Recapping stocks, the Dow up about 595 points, closing at 48,977. It's a new record, but it did top 49K during the session. I'm Lisa Brady, Fox News.